It's an honour to play for your country, let alone captain it, but it's about the girls now and getting them together really. So just because I'm captain, it doesn't mean that I'm the only leader. We've got Tash and we've got a lot of other girls that can lead as well. So it's not just about one person, it's about the team.
What Jayne wants to do going forward is just to be, be good to be a part of that, and it's a big thing for us to be as a team, and not just the players but as a collective, as a staff as well. And I think what Jayne has in plans and the rest of the staff, I think it'll only take us stronger, and hopefully our goal is to qualify for the European Championships.
Jess, I've spoken to Jess recently. With regards to the games coming up out in Croatia, I have 4 competitive games, which gives me an opportunity to play a lot of players who I haven't seen much of currently. So that's my thought process going forward for these next 4 games in Croatia. I want to see as many of the new players in the squad as I can and give them game time. If I take Jess right now, that restricts their game time. Jessica is a very mature player. She's played at the top level for many years. So she's very open to the reasons why I've done this, and I look forward to working with her again in the future. I've been really pleased with how they have responded, and as you can see now, the squad that we're taking, there are quite a few uncapped players in there who I'm really excited about seeing it at a competitive level and putting them against the teams we'll be coming against now and seeing how they respond. There are many reasons why myself and my coaches have picked Sophie to lead the group. Alongside being a fantastic player, she's a fantastic character as well, and her personality very much suits the way we'd like to go forward as a group with the togetherness that we're hoping to have over the next few months. So we're extremely excited to see Sophie's performance and see how she manages the group.